Hey everyone, I'm sitting here with my son Jack.
Hello.
Hi Jack. Hey, when you were in preschool, what kind of stories did you like to read?
I like to read stories about construction with diggers and cement mixers.
Oh, cool. Hey, do you have a story for us?
Yeah, I do.
Oh, what is it called?
Machines at Work.
Great. It's by Byron Barton. Okay, let's get started.
Yeah. Hey, you guys. Let's get to work. Knock that building down. Bulldoze that tree. Dig up that road. Load that truck. Dump that rubble. Now, let's eat lunch. Next, dig a hole. Mix that cement. Lift that beam. Build that building. Build the road. Okay, stop the machines, everyone. Let's go home. More work tomorrow. The end.
Thanks, Jack. What was your favorite part of the book?
When they were digging the holes with the excavator.
That's super cool.
Mm-hmm.
All right, see you later.
Bye.